We are
Tristan,
Samuel
and Emiliano.
and we are going to talk about what is migration and migratory birds. We're going to start with what is migration. Migration is a seasonal movement of animals to a region to another.
In Colombia, there are 500 species of migratory birds. For example, Cetophaga fusca.
Migratory birds. Migratory birds fly thousands of kilometers to find the better ecological conditions to breeding, feeding, and raising their young.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye! Thank you for hearing
Thank you
us.
so much.